Yes, we're taking duckies on the Gauley River. We are focused on the chainsaw. On the left side, there's a nice channel you want to go down, and you want to watch out for this hydraulic called the chainsaw hole. If you hit that sideways, chances are you'll happen to flip and smash into that rock there. So let's see how you do on Chainsaw Rapid. Alrighty, y'all, those were some pretty smooth lines here, but let's face it, you came here to watch some carnage. And now it's our time to deliver.